Their shapes have been restyled, their controls redesigned, but there's one thing about Mustang that will never change. The sheer thrill of driving one. The new Mustang convertible, LX, and GT. What they have in common is anything but. This is Mustang.
Have you driven a Ford lately?
What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, boys. If you didn't make Ford Takeover, if you hadn't seen the multitude of videos, Pop's car is back, and I wanted to do kind of a full reveal. Sorry for the wind noise. Beautiful day though. I wanted to do a full reveal and just pay tribute to Adam Delamalier and his father Randy for the amazing freaking job that they did on this car. Absolutely incredible. As you saw in some of the pictures, the car was totally taken apart. Everything possible was fixed, replaced, whatever. It's not perfect. It's not supposed to be. You know, it still got a spot here and there, you know, but overall it's more than we ever imagined. It's more than, you know, I initially had hoped for, and the car is amazing. I'm gonna take you a quick walk around. Not gonna do a lot of talking, just wanted you to take in Pop's car and think about the journey this car has been on. Less than a year ago, this thing was a basket case. You need to go back and watch the videos if you haven't, how we found the car, how we got the car, and all the work that went into getting this car to this point. And it still needs a lot. You know, it still needs an engine, a lot of interior stuff, fresh wheels and tires, and we're gonna get to all that. But this is one of those milestones that I had to take and just pay some tribute to Randy and Adam, you know, Dover, and you know, this was a team effort between myself and Silver Sport Transmissions, and just we all came together and made this deal happen, and I could not be happier. Let's take a look at the car. Real quick walk around. As you can see, guys, the cheese graters in full effect. Those are staying. They're classic now. Like I said, the turbines, I've got a set that's going to get blasted and powder coated, and then the correct size tire a 235/60, which is actually a little bit larger. It was a 225. Just to give it a little extra meat, fresh turbines, and brand new turbine center caps. LMR has those in stock now. I picked up some of those. The emblems are new, guys. These are the LMR quarter glasses, and I actually put this sticker on here. A guy on eBay sells this because to me, the quarter glass needs the text. That's just me, my personal opinion. All the trim new. They did the black parts. All this brand new from LMR. Emblems new. We did the headlights and all of that a while back. Absolutely amazing to look at this car. Just to think about, guys, this door, this fender was black, the hood was chalk. All of the mounting attachments for the ground effects, all brand new from LMR. They have those in stock. It's a godsend, especially on these, you know, on the GTs, because the old brackets just don't, you know, they don't hold up underneath there with the moisture and being down close to the road. But absolutely incredible job. Just take it all in, you know. Could not be happier. I wanted to do as little talking as possible and let you just kind of take in the car. Again, Adam and Randy, thank you guys for the work that you did on this car. Guys, they painted the hood hinges, all of the jams, everything was taken apart. Like I said, you know, hardware, a lot of the hardware was replaced, all the little rubber bumpers for the hood. They even took the time to paint like the hood latch and stuff. Just a lot of little stuff. And then underneath the ground effects, there was quite a bit of body work that nobody knew about until it was taken apart. And you know, they went the extra mile and went in there and fixed that too. So huge shout out to them and Hunt's Body Shop. I will have them on the website with the other preferred shops. If you go to the foxcast.com, I've got a link for shops that are recommended, that I would recommend, that I know personally, that you can take your car to all over the country. Depending on your region, there should be a shop in your area. Hunt's Body Shop will be among them. They do amazing work. So there you go, guys. I hope this did the car justice. It looks amazing. I've got a lot more planned for it, a lot more work. We're going to finish the interior, the wheels and tires, fresh, fully detailed engine. It's not a new engine, but a fresh engine that doesn't burn oil and leak coolant everywhere is going in. So lots more coming for Pop's car, guys. I'm telling you, we're just getting rolling. We're going all the way with this one. As you can clearly see, when I say we're doing something, we're doing it. There it is. So if you enjoyed this video, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. I'll catch you on the next one.